So lately I've been dealing with a little bit of a creative rut. I haven't felt really excited about making a video, and I had a few ideas which I started working on and I just completely scrapped because I didn't feel excited about making them. And this has been ongoing for the past 2 weeks or so. If you guys know me, it's really hard for me to not do anything work related. So today is really windy, as you can see. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but today I just decided to take my favorite drone ever, the Mavic 3, with me. Since it's that windy, I know it's going to do the job just fine, and I wanted to challenge myself a little bit to not have a plan, to just go to one of my favorite locations and just shoot and figure out something that is worth watching. Hopefully you guys will be on board for this idea. And with this video I just want to show you guys that the best way to beat that creative rut is very similar to when you have sore muscles after a big workout. You can take a long break until your muscles have a complete break and are back to normal for your next workout, or you can go super hard in the gym and beat that sore muscle feeling with even more pressure on the muscles. And for me, it's kind of the same thing. I'm going to beat that creative rut by just filming more and not having a real plan, but just letting my creativity go as far as it can. And hopefully you guys will do the same if you're in a similar position. Just got done with this spot and I'm quite happy with the shots I got, but I have a battery and a half left, so I'm going to make the most out of this situation. I have a few ideas that might happen, might not happen. We'll check it out, we'll see, but I'm going to explore a little bit more in this area and let's see what we can come up with. So on my way to another spot, I came across this huge sunflower field, and I just have to do a low flying shot over these sunflowers. I just have to. That was beautiful, simply beautiful. Last battery, let's make it count. And as you can see, we are in a very different spot. has that abandoned feeling to it, but I love the look of this building, to be honest. Both of these constructions right here, not exactly sure what they're called, but they will do for some good footage. And I'm going to pretty much live commentate my flight. I will try to keep it short and simple, and I need to be very careful about the wires because there are so many wires right here. So I'm just going to do a little semicircle shot around this first. I'm actually super happy how this shot is turning out. I think it looks really cool. This building is fire, and I'm going to use this position that I'm in right now and just look down. And now I'm just going to slowly rotate around this building. I love that. So I'm going over the building while continuously looking down, and I think it made for a pretty cool shot. I need to cut this video short because I'm extremely sunburned. I completely forgot to put any sunscreen on me this morning, so I'm going to pay for it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. It only goes to show that when you have a creative rut, the best way to deal with it is to go out there, find something interesting. Even if you don't think you will manage to find something interesting, I'm sure you will, because there are amazing places all around us, and it's up to us to find them. That's pretty much it from today's video. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.